Hey guys, so if you've got no money to pay for your website or whatever, here's a quick way to get a few dollars and maybe save it up and get a couple of $100. That's all you need to get a website up and running. You can get free websites, but from what I've known, free websites you can usually only put like 10 products or whatever, but even that's good enough. There's a free website people called Ecwid, ECWID.com. That'll get you started if you want a free one, and the good thing about that is, okay, you can only sell so many products, but if you get one good product is all you need. And there's different ways to do some research to find out what the top selling product is. And then put it on your website. Then you can use traffic generating websites. Try that to get some traffic to your website, or you can just put links to it on your YouTube channels. You can start a free Facebook store. There's a number of things you can do, but this is to quick and easy thing to get you a bit more. And I'm going to be doing this. I've been doing it sort of locally, not online. But I've sort of been doing it too, but I haven't done in the past. I haven't been doing any major research of what best ins and outs of how to get a good product, and that's how I'm going to get more into that. But just quickly, all you have to do to start off is go to something like this. Just Google top sellers on AliExpress. Right, so I came across this in about 5 minutes. So let's go down. Tells you, gives you a bit of helpful information there, how to do it. But the actual products are, let's have a look. Here they are here. Okay, iPhone tempered glass, portable charging bin, wireless Bluetooth earphone, necklace, iPhone case, rainbow brushes, teeth whitening product, various necklaces, nail art design. Looks like that nail art design is getting a lot of orders. But any one of these. So okay. Say all you've got is $10. Okay. So you can get this nail art design, right? Then go to Google Trends, just type in Google Trends. Nail art design. And then press search. And it should come up with a graph. Okay, now you can see that when it peaked there, it came down, it peaked there. It looks like it could be going back up again, right? You really want one that's sort of up on the upper. That is on the upper, so it's still selling. So you basically pick one of those. Let's try another one. Portable charging bin. Let's try that portable charging bin. Basically what you do is you portable charging bin. Was that pin or bin? Okay. What was it? Portable charging bin. That's weird. Maybe I didn't spell it right or something. Anyway, you grab something out of this list, or what you can do is you could even go on AliExpress and put in bestsellers, and you can do it like that. Let's try these 3D magnetic eyelashes. And so, okay, so that didn't come up with anything. Okay, another one on that list was rainbow toothbrush. Well, hold on. That we want something fairly cheap. That's why, because you only got $10. So, okay, let's go with this teeth whitening powder. Yeah, that's going up. Okay, so that's, oh. Yeah, see, that's going up. So, then what you do is you go over to AliExpress. Type it in. Now, you see these? They're on the up. So basically, okay, you've got, look at that, 50 cents. So what you could do, you got $10, right? 3 colors. Okay. Okay, the brush. Because those brushes are still very popular. Okay. And you've got, well, free shipping to where I am, New Zealand. But, see that brush? You could buy how many with, well, there. Hold on. Well, for $5.70 you can buy 10 brushes. Now, okay, so that's $10. Now, you could probably sell each one of those brushes for $5. You got 10 of them, $50, and you can put that towards your website or whatever. It's endless what you can do. Okay, let's go back. Hold on. Let's go back. We don't want the... We really want to see... Okay, it's $2. Toothpaste. See this one here. You really want to get free shipping as well. See now, what's that? Free shipping? Don't forget, guys, this is it's very popular at the moment, okay? So there you go, there's free shipping, right? You got $10. Okay, 75 cents, look at that. Pure activated coconut charcoal, okay? Look at that. You can buy 7 of those, right? And I'd say you could even try and sell those for $10 each, or somewhere between $5 and $10. And you get 7 of those. You've just made $70. And it's endless, you know, what you can do. So there you've just made some money. Okay, so then you'd say, well, I haven't got a website. What do I do with them? Have you got a local auction site? Like in New Zealand here, we've got thing called Trade Me. But, you know, buy these and stick them on eBay or whatever. Or, like I say, get a free website, right? Buy these, get a free website like that Equid, and then just plaster. If you've already got a YouTube channel too, you could do heaps of videos about it and put a link to your website underneath it. So there you go, and that's, you know, that's all for $10 really, because you could upload YouTube videos are free, upload, you know, put it, Facebook stores are free, and if you've got another like $20 to spare, you could do what I'm doing. I've tried out at the moment. I'll let you know how it goes. Oh, excuse me. You can do a, you can go to site, pay $20, and they send 25,000, what do you call them? 25,000 potential customers to your website. That's probably one of the best things to do. That's what I'm doing at the moment. So there you go, guys. There's just some, you know, ideas. If you're stuck for ideas, I know it's not, You know, it's not going to make you billions and millions, but you know, just to get you going, you know, and get up and going and actually do something rather than nothing, you know. So there you go. You want to check out my other videos, because I've got videos about health and lots of self-defense videos, because it's no use being wealthy if you're not healthy, or if your wealth can be just taken if you have an accident or someone knocks you over in the street, you know, in a fight or whatever, and you hit your head and you're in a coma forever. I try to help people with their self-defense wise, protecting themselves, their loved ones, and their health and their wealth. Links for that below.